Hey cybersecurity enthusiasts, today I'm diving into one of the latest threats shaking up the digital world, CoffeeLoader. This advanced malware loader, first spotted in September 2024, is dodging Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, and antivirus solutions like a pro. Let's break down how it's outsmarting even the most sophisticated security measures. So, what exactly is CoffeeLoader? Its main gig is to download and execute other malicious payloads while staying completely under the radar. It uses a bunch of sneaky techniques to achieve this, and trust me, these aren't your run-of-the-mill tricks. First up, the GPU-based packer, known as Armoury. Unlike traditional malware that runs on the CPU, this packer executes code on the graphics processing unit. Why is this a game changer? Well, it's because most security solutions focus on CPU activity, making GPU-based operations much harder to detect. Next, there's call stack spoofing. This is where CoffeeLoader masks the origin of its function calls, making it look like everything's normal. And if that's not enough, it uses sleep obfuscation. Imagine encrypting its payloads in a sleep state to dodge behavioral analysis. Pretty clever, right? Now let's talk about Windows fibers. Instead of using traditional threads, CoffeeLoader runs multiple execution contexts within a single thread. This makes it even stealthier and harder to track. According to Brett Stone-Gross, the Senior Director of Threat Intelligence at Zscaler, these combined methods make CoffeeLoader a tough nut to crack. But how does it actually infect systems? Here's the step-by-step breakdown. First, an initial dropper executes a malicious DLL payload, like armoury.dk.dll or armoury.dll, often with elevated privileges. If it doesn't have enough permissions, it tries to bypass user account control or UAC to escalate its access. For persistence, it creates a scheduled task that runs at user login or every 10 minutes. After that, a secondary stager component loads the main malware module, kicking in all its evasion capabilities. The malware then makes contact with a remote command and control server over HTTPS, downloading and executing additional payloads, including Radamanthus shellcode. And if the primary C2 servers are down, it has a fallback mechanism using a domain generation algorithm, or DGA. Interestingly, CoffeeLoader has strong code similarities with another infamous malware, SmokeLoader. Reports suggest that SmokeLoader might actually be distributing CoffeeLoader, hinting at some kind of evolutionary relationship between the two. And if that's not enough to worry about, CoffeeLoader's rise coincides with other cybercriminal activities. There's a phishing campaign distributing Snake Keylogger and a cryptocurrency scam on Reddit involving cracked TradingView software. Both of these are spreading stealers like Llama and Atomic, targeting both Windows and macOS users. The big takeaway here? The increasing use of GPU-based techniques in malware is making traditional security solutions look outdated. Organizations need to step up their game, incorporating behavioral analysis, heuristic detection, and hardware-assisted security measures to stay ahead. CoffeeLoader is just the beginning, folks. As cybercriminals continue to innovate, we need to be just as agile in our defense strategies. Stay safe out there and keep those systems secure. Until next time, this is your friendly cybersecurity guide signing off.